Monster Steer Grip for long drives helps reduce fatigue and drowsiness with hand massage function. A traffic jam, a tired person behind the wheel, boredom and fatigue, dangers like sharp brakes and unsafe driving. All these factors add stress for drivers and interfere with their safe driving. Monster Steer Grip is a steering wheel mounted assistant device designed to help the tired, fatigued, and stressed drivers of today. Monster Steer Grip makes use of principles from Korean medicinal tradition. Its patented massaging technology stimulates the palm and fingers without pain, bringing awareness and the health benefits of massage. Monster Steer Grip's potential and quality have already been recognized in leading markets such as Japan and the United States, and it comes with the Venture Innovation designation from the Korean government's Public Procurement Service. Nothing speaks higher of product quality than government procurement. Made out of soft and pliable silicone rubber, it provides a firm grip on the steering wheel to prevent any slippages. It is easy to install, so even the first-timers can do it in 3 seconds. Moreover, it doesn't take up much space on the wheel, so it won't interfere with your interior design. You can simply put it on the spot you want based on your driving habits. No matter how hard you turn the wheel, Monster Steer Grip will never become dislodged. That's because of its patented mechanics, C-leaf spring mechanism. If you think the grip has been contaminated, you should take off the product and wash it under running water. It's easy to wash and it comes with a 99% antibacterial property, making it easier to protect your health. Monster Steer Grip is designed to mitigate the difficulties of holding onto a steering wheel for extended periods by facilitating the drivers to use the wheel with both hands. Because the grip is so plushy and firm, it facilitates ergonomic and fun stance while driving. Try out your very own Monster Steer Grip today. Its unique stimulation will improve your quality of life while driving. Major functions of Monster Steer Grip. Constant massage that brings awareness to the driver. Fun and plushy texture that helps mitigate the boredom of driving and prevents drowsiness. Massage function that helps stimulate the pressure points on the hand, thereby promoting blood circulation. Hypoallergic silicone construction and 99.9% antibacterial property that helps improve the sanitation of the drivers. A firm and easy grip that helps prevent slippages while driving. Monster Steer Grip is a choice that will surely bring economic profits to your company. We await the honor of serving as your partner.